Have you ever wondered what makes you, you, why you have your mother's eyes or your father's laugh? The answer lies in a tiny, twisted ladder found in nearly every cell of your body, DNA. But how did we discover this incredible molecule, the very blueprint of life? Let's travel back in time to the middle of the 20th century. The scientific world was buzzing with a monumental question. What carries the instructions for life? Many scientists believed it had to be proteins, which are complex and varied. But a few brilliant minds were chasing a different suspect, a molecule called deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA. The race was on. In the early 1950s, at King's College London, a scientist named Rosalind Franklin was using a technique called X-ray crystallography to take pictures of DNA. Her images were groundbreaking. One particular image, famously known as Photo 51, was astonishingly clear. It revealed that DNA had a helical, or spiral, shape. This single photograph was the crucial piece of the puzzle that everyone had been searching for. Meanwhile, at Cambridge University, two young scientists, James Watson and Francis Crick, were also determined to solve DNA structure. They were building physical models, trying different arrangements to see what would fit. When they were shown Franklin's Photo 51 without her full knowledge, a controversial moment in science history, they had their eureka moment, combining Franklin's data with their own insights. Watson and Crick realized that DNA wasn't just a single helix, but a double helix. They envisioned two long strands twisting around each other like a spiral staircase. They also figured out how the steps of this staircase, the chemical bases, paired up in a specific way with T and C with G. This pairing mechanism brilliantly explained how DNA could copy itself perfectly, passing genetic information from one generation to the next. In 1953, they published their findings in a short, elegant paper, famously starting with the line, "We wish to suggest a structure for the salt of deoxyribonucleic acid." This discovery of the double helix structure of DNA completely revolutionized biology and medicine, paving the way for everything from genetic engineering to forensic science. It was one of the most significant scientific breakthroughs of all time, cracking the very code of life itself. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into scientific history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing stories. See you next time.